Welcome. Here is the index in the first chapter of this book, and you like the download link below the video. The art and business of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where an individual promotes another person's product or service and makes a commission from each sale. The affiliate marketer has no responsibilities for the product quality, delivery or maintenance of product, other than the moral responsibility to their customers of promoting products of high value to them. Why participate in affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing allows you the opportunity to work part-time or full-time while building a generous residual income. Residual income, also called passive or recurring income, is income that continues to be generated after the initial effort is expended. Marty Foley. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest methods I know of to make money with little or no startup costs and very little technology knowledge needed. There are also effective low to no budget marketing methods available. The product owner is doing the major marketing to gain product or service exposure. Affiliate marketing is something you can start immediately while you're learning to create your own products and websites. Affiliate marketing is a revenue-generating activity that you can do while you build your main internet profit stream. Affiliate promotion process. Below you will see another flowchart I have put together for you that helps you to see the basic affiliate marketing flow process that you will be involved in during your affiliate marketing. Common ways to promote affiliate products. At this point I am just going to list some great ways that I feel you could concentrate on to promote your affiliate products when you are just beginning your affiliate marketing venture. In the following pages we will go into more details on the ones that I feel would be best for a beginner to get started with. List promotions. By developing a relationship with your list, you can promote items that you feel would be valuable to them. 2-tier and 3-tier affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are 2-tier programs that distribute commissions based on a referral network of sign-ups and sub-affiliates. As you may have learned by now, with Leadlock we have created one of the few 3-tier affiliate programs. Example: affiliate A signs up to an affiliate program and gets rewarded for a sale or lead by a visitor. If affiliate A attracts affiliate B to sign up for the same program using his sign-up code, or affiliate code, affiliate B becomes a sub-affiliate of affiliate A. Now, affiliate B attracts an affiliate. He is now getting the primary affiliate commission, and A is getting commissions on both B and C. Pretty cool. Finding products to promote. When you are looking for products to promote, there are some basic factors you should be taking into consideration when you are looking for products. Also take into consideration some of the following recommendations when you recommend a product to your list or as an affiliate for any product. Be picky about what you promote and take the time to be sure that everything you recommend is of legitimate value. Be honest when making your recommendations. Nothing will turn people away more quickly than a blatant attempt to fill them full of hype and hot air, just so you can make a few quick bucks. Take time to go through the product ahead of time to know exactly what you are promoting and that it is actually worth the value you are trying to sell someone on, especially if it is a marketer you do not know very well, and you are not familiar with the quality of product they deliver. You shouldn't be selling what you do not believe in, and the fact is that personal testimonials will do a lot to boost your sales. Determining factors of affiliate products. Some of the common questions asked by affiliate marketers are these. What product should I sell as an affiliate? What affiliate products are hot selling? Plain and simple, research is the only solution here. The wants are the determining dimensions among many choices. The needs are the basic reasons a person is looking for the product or service. The value drivers are the values or intangibles associated with a product or service. They are actually part of wants. But your value drivers will become extremely important when products or services are not differentiated from other similar products being offered. The following are 3 excellent places to find products that you can become an affiliate for. http://www.clickbank.com http